But because actually you can write so much better than AI, and because it's a transmission, and that's just how it works. It's this metaphysics. Okay, so think of a book that transformed you, how it shifted your perceptions, your beliefs, your thoughts. That might be a very familiar one, like The Power of Now or The Celestine Prophecy, or it might be one that's a bit more, I don't know, fringe. But just I want you to think about that book and how it shifted your reality. And then I want you to think about how you writing your book will spark a shift in others. I think that's very exciting. By the way, if you can, please turn your camera on so we can see your delightful face. And it's just really, it's great if you can. So the opportunity is to claim your credibility and authority with writing this book, attract soul-aligned clients if that's your jam. It might be customers for your business. It might be followers for whatever you're doing. It might be something else. Could be so many different things. Opportunities, for speaking, for going to a festival and being a speaker in a tent at a festival and having lots of adoring people go, "Oh my God, wow. You're courageous. You're incredible. I feel inspired and led and seen by you." And then queuing up for your book at the end to buy your book. I've seen that 2 or 3 times this summer with very inspiring people that nobody's ever heard of, by the way, but it's a niche. It's just like you go to where the people that are aligned with what you're writing about are, and it doesn't matter if no one's ever heard of you. They might connect with the energy of your book, the energy, the title of your talk, or anything else, and things can happen pretty rapidly from there on. And I've seen that. It's definitely, this summer somehow I've seen like 2 or 3 times that, and just been like wowed by just like the queue of people outside the tent wanting to purchase the book of the person who just gave the talk, who, by the way, got invited to come free to this festival, or maybe even got paid. I don't know. So it's quite nice to do that. So they get to share in an intimate setting of a workshop or whatever it is, it might be a seminar or something like that.